Hello everyone. So I'll go to third exercise. Before to doing the third exercise, we will need to learn something. I will explain to you how to choose, how to give the dimension properly. Okay, same thing. So as you can see, this is your isometric view. This is your isometric view, and this if I will stand here, if I will stand here, and see, this is my front view, huh? And you can see this is my front view. Okay, and this is my side view. This is my side view. You can see this is my side view. Okay, and if I will show in from the top, this is my top view. Okay, so up to now clear. You can see in the side view, what is this length? This length is same as 52. This one na? This length is similar to this this, and this length is similar to this. Okay, now you can see this one is your 14, and the pad, what is the length? After doing this 3D, what is this length? This length, it is 79. Okay, then after you will do this diagram and remove. Okay, understood? So I hope everyone getting this. Okay, so without wasting the time, we will go for the third diagram, part design. Hide and show of the plane, create a point. I'll start from here, that is 52.52 lie. Okay, this is 52.52. What is this length? This length is 33. What is it? 33. This one is 14. 1 4. Okay, anything left? Okay, this is 52, 14. The height, what is the height? 79. Height is 79. Now it is fully constant. It is fully constant. Then go to axis workbench. Then what is the pad length? The pad length is 79. See, I am doing 79 by 2 and making mirror extend both sides. Review. Okay, so one side is completed. Now you can see from the top view it is showing this, so I will choose the top view. Okay, from the top view I'll choose this top view. Okay, so we will do the diagram here. So how we will do? Like T. Okay, both sides same. If I will do one side, then another side we will go for mirror. So I will go for this, starting to this. Okay, just what is this length from this line to this one? What is this? 28. It is 28. Okay, it need to be coincident. This one need to be coincident. Right click, coincident. Then what is this length? This is 10 and 15. This is 10 and this is vertical line is 15. This one is 21. Okay, now anything left? 10. Yes, here it is 17. This one is 17. 1 7. So one side completed, same as the other side. So go for auto sketch mirror with respect to this vertical axis. Okay, then exist workbench, pocket. Okay, here this is your time. You can see the time. Okay.